Hey guys, usually I pack everything because I have to go to my college. So right now I don't have any content to share with you guys. So I thought like that. At that moment this happened. So one of my students asked me very interesting question. She asked me why in mathematics book we have the word probability and probable instead of possibility or possible. Why we don't have that word? Why we are using probability? Are both the words same? Or is there any other difference between both the words? If so, what is that? So I'm going to explain everything in this video. So kindly watch the video till the end. Definitely this video is going to be very short. If you're new here, I am Deepak, a mathematics student. I usually share videos about productivity, study with me, and a little bit mathematics that everyone should know. So if you have not subscribed my channel, then kindly do subscribe because it will take you less than a second, but it means a lot to me. And if you have not convinced you to subscribe my channel, then watch the video till the end. If you are convinced, then subscribe my channel. Hope you will do. Guys, I don't want to complicate everything. I just want to make you guys clear in these two things. So first I will define what is possibility and what is probability. That's very simple. Possibility is nothing but saying yes or no to a particular thing. For example, if I jump from a building, will I die? The answer is yes if the building is very tall, no if it is very short. So the answer is yes or no. But if I ask the same question in this way, like what is the probability that I can survive after jumping from a 8-story building, the answer is 0.1% maybe. So yeah, that is the difference between possibility and probability. That is, possibility will say whether it is yes or no, whether it will happen or not. Probability will tell you how likely will it happen, what is the percentage of chance that it will happen. So probability is nothing but measuring things. Possibility is nothing but telling things whether it will happen or not. Possibility is a layman term, anyone can use it. Probability is full and full mathematical thing. We use mathematics behind everything to say how likely will it happen. If I throw a die, definitely I'm going to get a number between 1 and 6. But let me ask a question. Can I get 6? Yes. Can I get 0? No. But if I ask the question like this, what is the probability that I can get the number 6? 1/6. What is the probability that I can get a number 1/6? What is the probability that I can get the number 0? 0. So this is the difference between possibility and probability. To make it in single line, possibility is saying yes or no. Probability is saying how much yes. Yeah, that's all about the video. Hope you guys got some clarity about the topic possibility and probability. If you have any other doubts regarding this, or if you have any other doubts regarding mathematical concepts or whatever it may be, kindly ask it in the comment section. If I know that, definitely I will share that. If I don't know that, I will learn and I share with you. And yeah, that's it. And guys, there are many interesting and some motivational videos are waiting for you. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe that. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's me, Deepak. Bye bye.